the 2004 Toyota Camry Solara. This two-door, five-passenger coupe has not yet reached the 100,000-mile mark. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Fuel economy of 32 miles per gallon on the highway proves this vehicle's efficiency, saving you money at the pump. Top features include remote keyless entry, a split folding rear seat, air conditioning, an overhead console, and power windows. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.